Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're going to do another cocktail recipe out of the Poole's Diner cookbook. We're going to be making the Garden and Gun Club today. This is a bourbon drink. Bourbon is our favorite liquor, honestly. Just realized I forgot a knife for my lemon. First thing I need to do for this is to juice a lemon. It takes 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, which we find you can usually get from less than one lemon. I'm going to be making a double batch, so my husband and I can both have one. Another thing I'm going to be doing a little bit differently is I'm going to be serving this in a standard highball glass with ice. She suggests you serve this in a chilled martini glass. They're really hard to drink from and much easier to spill. So I'm just gonna do my bourbon drink in a highball glass with a huge chunk of ice as usual. So not entirely as the recipe suggests, but so we are combining the ingredients in our shaker, then we're gonna fill it with ice and then shake it, strain it. Forgot my strainer, I'll get that in a minute. Anyway, so we're going to combine the lemon juice. Oh, almost exactly right for a double batch from one lemon. That will be perfect. Next is, why does my shaker not have a 1 ounce? Okay, anyway. Next we need to put in some Cointreau, which is an orange flavored liqueur. It is very expensive. There are other orange flavored liqueurs that you can use probably, but this one calls specifically for Cointreau, so I bought it because I couldn't find any in our liquor cabinet. We also have some dry vermouth. We aren't big vermouth people, but I think we relatively recently bought this. You're supposed to store it in the refrigerator after you open it, but I never have, and it's not that old, so I'm not too worried about it. Because it is I think it's sort of a wine-based liqueur. It's not super alcoholic, so here we go. And then bourbon. This is my favorite bourbon, or one of my favorite bourbons. I like the flavor of it a lot. But you can use whatever you want. And need to remember double batch. All right. Back. I just wasted bourbon. Party foul. Okay. All right. And the last ingredient is orange bitters. Now I'm using an orange and fig bitters from Crude Bitters, which is local to us. I know that Ashley uses them a lot in their drinks, and it's orange and fig, and I'm sure it will be fine. You can order from them online. And I don't know what a dash is with this. Okay, I'm not usually, you have the bitters are in sort of a shaker bottle and that's, a dash. So 3 dashes. I'm gonna put like 6 drops in here, maybe-ish. I don't know, because it is in a little medicinal, put 8 in. We'll see. I don't know if that's a lot or a little. So now I'm gonna go fill this up with ice. So I have ice. my strainer magically appeared for me, even though I went looking for it. It's been a day. And so now I'm gonna shake it and try not to lose any more bourbon. Super cold. I think we're good. All right. I'm not very good at this. All right. I'm going to do this where you guys can see it. Strain it into these glasses, roughly half in each. Hopefully I didn't need to pour that one. I'm really bad at this. Okay. And then we garnish with a strip of orange peel. And that is it. That's the drink. We'll let you know what we think. So we actually do like this drink. We were a little concerned that there's a lot of different liquors and lemon juice, but there's no simple syrup in it. We usually, sweeten our bourbon drinks a little bit with simple syrup. And the vermouth is a dry vermouth, not a sweet vermouth. But it's really good. You get a lot of the orange in it from the bitters, I guess, and the lemon juice helps bring that out. Yeah. Really enjoy it. It's something I would definitely make again. Oh, there's also the Cointreau for the orange. So you've got orange bitters and Cointreau. So it is very orange flavored. Maybe the Cointreau helps with the sweetness of it too, because it is, I think, a bit of a sweeter liqueur, but not super sweet. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching me make this, please come back next week, watch me make something else, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.